Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the U sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the long U sound. Can you make the U sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth a bit and make the Y sound. Then, make a circle with your mouth and make the OO sound. Finally, put these sounds together. Try it with me. U. U. Now let's practice a few words with the U sound. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Universe. U. Argue. Few. Beautiful. The U sound can be spelled with the letter U as in universe, Y plus a vowel as in you, UE as in argue, EW as in few, and EAU as in beautiful. Nicely done. Great job. Ellii.